Today we are going to learn about the restriction enzymes. So in biotechnology, the most important part of the gene cloning or in recombinant DNA technology is use of the restriction enzymes. So what are restriction enzymes? These are kind of like short stretches of nucleic acids. Mainly, I want to say that these are kind of scissors which are used in molecular cloning or in recombinant DNA. So these enzymes are very important whenever you go in the field of biotechnology. First of all, if you see this particular photograph, you can see here there is one particular position here. Uh, this is one restriction enzyme which is known as the EcoR1. So EcoR1, the word eco, it comes from a particular kind of bacteria which is the E. coli. And R and 1, these are kind of the strains which have been, and they have been named according to the position, which the year in which they were designated. Uh, since the EcoR1 is a restriction enzyme which has come from the bacteria E. coli, and so it has been named as EcoR1. And these seizures, that means the specific positions, they have the ability, these enzymes have the ability to cut the fragments, the large stretches of the nucleic acids at particular positions. So if you see here, the mark here, which is being given as red, it means these enzymes can cut at this particular position and you get two different fragments. So one fragment which comes out here is AATC, CCTA. These are the overhangs, that means this has the remaining fragments. And from the another, these segments come from the another part, that is from the complementary segment. So these enzymes will be required for you in doing cloning, and like when you cut a particular fragment and you put it in a new vector. Now what is vector? Now let us come to a small photograph. You can see here the different kind of vectors. Like vectors are, I mean to say that vectors are short carriers. That means they have the ability to replicate in a new host cell. And if you can see here, it has been shown that the digestion with restriction enzymes. So what does this restriction enzymes do? Now the vectors, when they are being used in cloning, that means they can carry a particular gene of interest into another one. So these enzymes help here. Now what do you mean by digestion with restriction enzymes? That means that restriction enzymes can cut